How to find nearby people on Snapchat. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Instagram application on your device and you need to log into your account. So once you are here, you'll be able to see this interface from where you can create or snap videos or take a photo. So in order to find nearby people on Snapchat, you need to first switch to the map option or sign at the left bottom corner. And from over here, you'll be able to see the map of your place. So in order to know your current location, you have to tap on the arrow-like option that you are seeing at the lower section of your screen. Simply tap over there and this will be popped up where you have to enable your location. And you have to go for OK option. And by doing that, your location will be enabled and Snapchat will automatically detect your location. So here you can see my location right now. So in order to find the person nearby me, you have to tap on the location option that has been displayed at the upper middle section of the screen. You have to simply tap over there. And from over here, all the person near me who has shared their story will appear over here. You can see. So if you want to add them, then you have to simply tap on their profile at the left lower corner and their profile will be appeared. So if you want to add, you can simply tap on the add option and friend request will be sent to them and you can find the people nearby you. Likewise, you can do the same for other also. So this is how you find nearby people on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.